Hey guys, I get asked all the time what kind of math is on the business and finance exam. So I actually printed out 5 practice questions that I have in my quizzes. If you guys need quizzes, there's a link down below to purchase quizzes. So I got 5 here. I wanted to show it to you guys so you guys can see an example of the type of math they're asking on this exam. So the first one is a supplier offers a 3% discount if payment is made within 15 days with net payment due in 45 days. If a contractor receives a $750 discount for early payment, what is the total amount of the original invoice before the discount? That's an example of one there. Number 2, an asset initially valued at $18,000 depreciates at a rate of 7.5 annually. What is value after 4 full years? Number 3, a contractor fixed cost of $50,000 and a gross profit margin of $20,000. What is the break-even point in sales? Number 4, a job has a total estimated cost of $80,000 and cost to date is $40,000. The total contract price is $100,000. What is the earned revenue? And number 5, the last one, if a job is worth $800,000 and the contractor has completed $280,000 worth of work, what percentage of the job is complete? So here's the answer key here, right here. And if you guys want explanations of how to do all of this, I have over a 40-minute video inside of my course that goes over all the math you should see on the exam. I'm not guaranteeing it's all the math, but it is most likely all the math you're going to see in the exam. I make sure to simplify all the math to make sure that you understand it correctly. If you're not interested in joining the course but want more practice quizzes like this, I have quizzes linked down below you can buy, and I'll show you right now if you get a question wrong. So here, for example, if you get a question wrong, it will look like this. So if you answer the question, it will say incorrectly answered feedback, and it will tell you how to exactly do it. And then here, I'll go into my course real quick. So if you go into my course and you click here, classroom, it will be a video called All the Math You Need to Know. There's part 1, 47 minutes. So if you get it here,
taking up to that time, always keep this depreciation down.
All right, declining balance depreciation.
Depreciation, you will times by the percentage. The test will give it to you. It can be 125%, 150%, or 200%. Remember, under the declining balance method, the depreciable base is reduced each year.
So I go over in this 47-minute video questions like this right here in the exam. So if you get a question like this, you know how to do it, and you'll have the information that you need to know so you pass on the exam. So how many math questions should you have on the exam? You'll have anywhere from 20, 25 to 30 math questions on the exam. So it's very important to know how to do this math and to understand it correctly. That's why it's so important to do a course, because if you're studying on your own, you most likely probably don't know how to do all of this. So in my course, I break it all down so you have that information so you pass on your first try. I had a few students this month, I'll show it here, that have passed the exam, that went through the course. So very exciting news. Everyone that's inside the WhatsApp group always congratulates if you pass the exam. So if you guys are studying, highly recommend my course so you guys can know how to do all of this math and even more, because there's more than just this math that's going to be on the exam. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can always text this number here. If you're interested in purchasing the course, it's down below. And if you're interested in purchasing more practice quizzes, there's a link down below to buy those as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.